Do you want to know how you can log in to your Midland Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Midland Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to your Google search bar and then search for Midland Mortgage login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal where you can see your loan number and your password. Go ahead and write down your loan number, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can log in to your Midland Mortgage account. Now you can click remember loan number and you will not write your own loan number the next time you log in. If you have forgotten your password or your loan number, click on these two links and you can recover your password and your loan number once again. If you have not created a Midland Mortgage account for yourself, go ahead and click need to sign up. I hope this video about how you can log into your Midland Mortgage account was helpful for you. I hope you like, subscribe and comment in our video. See you again next time. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.